10 Lies Women Were Told About Men. Stereotypes and misconceptions about any gender can perpetuate misunderstandings and hinder healthy relationships. Here are 10 common misconceptions or lies that women may have been told about men. Men are emotionally stoic. Contrary to the belief that men don't express their emotions, men have a wide range of feelings and can be emotionally expressive. Men don't need emotional support. Men, like women, benefit from emotional support and connection in relationships. All men are commitment phobic. Not all men are afraid of commitment. Many are looking for long-term, meaningful relationships. Men are simple and predictable. Men, like women, are diverse individuals with varied interests, desires, and personalities. Men don't value communication. Men can value effective communication and open dialogue in relationships. Men are only interested in sex. Reducing men's interest to just sex oversimplifies their desires and preferences. Men aren't interested in parenting. Many men are actively involved in parenting and value their role as caregivers. All men are naturally competitive. While some men are competitive, not all men share this trait. Men don't need affection. Men appreciate physical and emotional affection in relationships just as much as women. Men don't need reassurance or compliments. Like women, men appreciate compliments, encouragement, and reassurance in relationships. It's important to remember that individuals are unique, and generalizations about any gender can be inaccurate and limiting. Building healthy and meaningful relationships involves understanding the unique qualities, needs, and desires of the person you're with and avoiding harmful stereotypes or assumptions. Open communication and empathy are essential for fostering strong connections and challenging misconceptions.